All right, so they say not to do this by yourself, and I'm doing it by myself. But anyway, nonetheless, I don't need my headphones anymore. Okay, guys, today we're going to be doing a review on this awesome SunForce triple head 150 LED motion solar charging light. I think I said that right. A lot of stuff you have to read here, but I'm not memorizing it. What's really nice about this light, for one, it's solar power. It's off the grid. So you have this incredible 2.5 watt solar panel that charges three 1500 milliamp AA batteries, which you can replace, which is really nice. That's a huge plus. So if those batteries ever die many years down the line, you can replace them with something a little bit more stronger, or you could do that right out of the box. If you wanted to change the batteries inside the unit, it's simply just taking a door off, 4 screws, popping off the panel, which by the way is sealed with a rubber gasket, change them with, like, say, Duracell 2400 milliamp batteries, and then you'll have longer run time through the night. So it's just an option that you could do this. So let's open this box up and take a look. I'm not going to be, well, you know what? I will show you the light output of this, but I'm not going to shine it directly into the camera, because what happens is when you do that, you really can't really see or appreciate the light output from shining it directly into the lens. So what we're going to do is I'm going to shut off all the lights inside my studio here. By the way, this is the first video with my new studio. I've always done video recordings with my cell phone. Now I have a Nikon 7200 camera that's recording me at 1080p, which is home run, 30 frames a second. We could do 60, but it's a whole nother story. But anyway, I have 2 box lights here shining onto me. Then I have regular 2700 Kelvin lights coming down onto me as well for additional lighting. So this is my new studio. I'm happy to be recording in it as we speak. This is my newly review with my new studio. So anyway, let's take this out. It does come with screw hardware, but I'm not going to show you that. I'm just showing you the capability of what this light can do, and it's quite large, which is impressive. So this is the light. It has 2 lights that actually move. You can adjust them in any direction you wish. Up, down, left, right. You actually can point them down if you want, but you just have to get them out of the way of the screw mount that's here. So once you have it up in the air, you can simply adjust the lighting accordingly, which is huge, because this one could be the main driveway, and then if you wanted to get your left and right side of your property, you can by adjusting these in the appropriate direction. It also has a motion sensor here, which has options for high, medium, and low settings for the sensitivity and the time, which is either in test mode, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 120 second time frame for this light to go on. There's no dimming feature of this. It's either on or off in terms of in the motion sensor. So when it's in motion sensing and the light is actually physically off, and then when it detects motion, it's full brightness. Some of these lights that you see, they dim a little bit, they shine a little bit during the night, and then when it sees motion, it kicks back on again. This does not do that, which I find a little better, because then the batteries will last a substantially longer time, because now they're not concentrating on, discharging because the lights are on dim. I have another light that I'm going to review later that does that feature. Anyway, so this is the light itself. The panel that comes with it is like I said before, it's 2.5 watt, so 2.5 watt solar panel, which is quite large, which is nice. This fits perfect, and then it comes with 9 miles of cable, which is also useful. Well, not 9 miles, but it's a substantial amount of line here. I'm not quite sure how long it is. I don't want to unwrangle it, but it is very, very long. I suspect by looking at it, probably 12 feet. And this you can unscrew the 2 screws back here, and you can adjust this mount in any direction you want and put the solar panel in any direction you want in terms for the sun for capturing. And this plugs right in the bottom of the solar panel, which is huge. Well, obviously you need to, because that's the whole point of it, solar. So what we're going to do right now is that I'm going to shut off the interior lighting and show you how bright this light is. Now remember, I'm not going to shine it towards the camera. I'm going to actually shine it from the back of the camera forward, so you can clearly see that. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to shut off the 2 box lights that are right here. By the way, they're 125 watts each. So that's 125 watts, and this is 125 watts on this side. I'll shut those off first, and then I'll shut off the 130 watt lights that are overhead as well. So I'll shut those off first. Now just the box lights are on. So you can clearly see that this light kicks butt. And here, see, I can shine it directly into it now because I'm far away, because there's other lights. But it's really, you can't really appreciate the light output of this because of, just can't. Because the room is lit up and you really can't see it. It only works. It works. It's really noticeable when there's no lights on, like you would use like on your property or your driveway, wherever you plan on illuminating. So this is a really, really good light. I'm very impressed with it. I'm just putting it back together again here. So this is my review on the SunForce 150 LED solar powered motion light, triple head light, which kicks ass. If you like this review, thumbs up. If you don't like this review, thumbs down, which I really hope you don't do that. And we'll see you in the next review. Take care, guys. Let's see if I get this thing back. Together again. Cheers. Peace. I gotta put this back together because I gotta bring it to Pennsylvania.